Hi friends, and welcome back to another Am I Actually Gonna Move Out of This House and Into My Apartment video. I sure hope so. This is what my son's room looks like, and we have 2 more days left to be here. This is what the upstairs hallway looks like, and we have 2 more days to be here. In all honesty, the downstairs looks actually pretty good. Most of the kitchen stuff is gone. It's just some laundry baskets because I've been trying to roll through laundry so I don't have to do it at the laundromat. But all of this is from my storage closet that we had here. One of the 7 closets that I've had, and I don't want to deal with this at all right now. So what my plan is with this is I'm going to lightly go through it today, but most of it is just gonna go to my mom's storage unit. I don't have the time, I don't have the energy. She has the space for when I do have the time and the energy, so that's the game plan here. So today I'm just going to load my car up with as much as I can and try to take a load down there because this beautiful girl gets to go to a new home today. Yeah, you do. And I think you're gonna love it. So I actually have been trying to rehome these kittens that I've been fostering for the last 11 months. She is actually going to a home that already has one of my kittens. She got that one about 6 months ago and she's loving her. And I said, I reached out and then she was like, I don't know that I can right now. And then a few weeks later, she reached out again and was like, hey, do you still have her? And I was like, I do, and I think that you will love her. So I hope that that one works out okay. And then the other 2 I talked a little bit about in the last video, but they will be going to a shelter because I was unable to find homes for them. So a little bit of an update to keep us on track here. I guess let's just do what we can. I am so tired of stuff. All right. A donate bag. I had a trash bag. I don't need it. I haven't used it. I'm not gonna need it. Ugh. This feels like going through my storage unit all over again, and I hate it. Just to let all of you know how I'm feeling about this whole process. I hate it. Oh my god, it's more baby stuff. Why? All right, this has tree skirt, Halloween decorations, stockings. Okay, next tote. This is more decorations. This is gonna go to storage. I don't have the energy. This one next to it is also decorations for Christmas. Storage. I don't recognize this tote at all. This is probably all donate, to be honest with you. I'll see if my sister wants any of these too tomorrow. Yeah, otherwise this whole thing can be donated. Oy, oy, oy. This is the tent Kelly and I are going to use when we go on our solo camping trip this year, whenever that's going to happen. So this says decor on it. Yeah. And it's true, it is decorations from my old house. Some of my best friends never say a word to me. I love this one. So I'm actually going to keep most of this. Look at my little baby! Look at the little baby! Not enough to make me want another one though. Okay, we'll keep that. This is donate. I think this will probably go to my house. Maybe storage, because it'll be a bit before I get decorations up, I think. This is my Christmas tree. I don't know if I'm going to get another one. I think I'll just keep this one for now. Is that smart? I don't know. These can all get donated. I don't know. If you can't tell, I don't know much of anything at this point. I really don't. Here we are again. I thought I was done with the clothes. But no. They are never ending. Oh. That's Kelly's stocking, obviously. I think that can be donate. And I honestly think most of this can be too. Yep, all that can be donated. Woohoo! Look at us go, friends. Look at us go. So that's going to my sister's. That'll go into storage. It's just wrapping paper and stuff. So all we have to go through are these two. This is like my scrapbook slash memories kind of box. At this point, I have like 3 or 4 memory boxes, and I need to combine them down because some of them are actual boxes. So at one point, I need to just get a tote. Kelly has his tote. I need my own memory tote, and I never really thought about that, but I really desperately do need my own memory tote because I have stuff in like 4 separate boxes that are going into my mom's storage unit right now. So I will make my own memory tote because I think I deserve that. And some of this stuff will be going in there. So we just have 2 more boxes to go through, and then we'll load up the car, go to storage, unload it, and then I think I have to go to my sister's and get ready to go take, I can't forget to get the cat. I keep forgetting I have to grab the cat. Get the cat, go to storage, unload storage, and then go to my sister's and get ready for dropping the cat off. And then we're just doing my mom's birthday dinner as well this evening. So that'll be a nice little bit of relaxation. This is Chris's stuff slash air thing. This is biological father. His name is Chris. Oh, that's right. I don't know why I got this like air puff thing that was at his apartment. A bunch of his like, I don't even think he wore these though. Hats. I'll keep them for Kelly. And okay, I know a few people ask me why I keep Chris's stuff, my son's biological father. I don't keep it necessarily for myself. I keep it for Kelly because I know one day he's going to want to know more about him, and he's going to want to know the things he liked, and maybe he'll want some of his things. So that's why I keep them. I don't keep them for me. I think people were confused as to why I feel like I need them. I don't. I don't feel like I need his stuff. I feel like Kelly might need his stuff one day. So that is why I keep it. These are pictures of him and his son. He had a son before he had Kelly. This is like his memory box that he had for a while. Those were both like letters and notes that he left me when we were still together. If you don't know our history, it's pretty volatile. I'll link the video for you to watch, but it was not the best relationship. But people always ask like why I stayed or what I saw in him. And I'll just read you a little snippet of one of these. Good morning. Well, it's 3:30 in the morning and I'm laying thinking about you, me, and us. I can honestly say this is the happiest I've ever been. I love going to bed with you, waking up to you. I know that sometimes that's hard to believe because I'm a grump in the mornings, but I am. I love you so dearly. My time with you never gets old and can't last long enough. I miss you before you walk out the door every day before work. That's why. That's why we stay, is because they do those things. They can be so sweet, and then they just turn on a dime. So don't ever judge somebody for why they stayed in a relationship, because you don't know what's going on behind closed doors or what that person is portraying behind closed doors. I have more of these plates. Do I want these? I don't think I want these. I don't know. I'll ask my mom and sister if they want them. But I found the plates. There's the 4 big plates, and then there's 4 small plates. No bowls and no cups. I don't know what I do. I'm so random with things. It makes no sense. Okay. So, do you want to keep this Christmas tree or donate it?
No.
You want to donate it?
Yeah.
Okay. All of it, even the little decorations? Fine by me. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Donate. Asking a family member if they want it. If they don't, donate. Donate. Asking family members if they want what's in that. If they don't, donate. Probably keeping in my mom's storage. Storage. That ain't bad. I'm not mad about how much I'm donating and storaging. And then I only have like 2 boxes of keep. Well, this is storage too, I guess. Now I don't want to get up because I feel very productive. One of the cats is eating a Cheeto. You don't fit, I'm not gonna fit. And we thought we were done with storage units, friends. I think I have a total of this stuff up here. That, and then my Christmas tree in here. All right, so that is it for today. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I expect to get a lot done Sunday because I really honestly don't even want to go to that house on Monday. I just want to relax. I have a doctor's appointment, I have therapy, and that's all I want to do on Monday. So fingers crossed we get it done. Track record shows it won't happen and I'll still be there Monday. But I really hope we get it done. Good morning. I forgot to start recording. It is Sunday. We started loading the car. This is what we have loaded so far. This is all donations. Load of donations to Goodwill. I know, just time crunches. We're just going to Goodwill at this point. Everything else has gone to other places, so it is what it is. Delicious. You sure there's nothing in there? Okay, we're good. This is perfect. Oh. They're doing really well. I'm so proud of them. All right, let's hope this goes the way I think it will. Ah! Ooh! Okay. All right, friends, we're getting there. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I think that most of this is gonna be done today. I think we might have to come back tomorrow and do a little bit of cleaning, but hopefully not much. Hopefully not much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What I'm doing right now is going through all of the rooms and replacing or taking down the blinds because they're broken, and if we have any broken ones that we leave, we get charged $25 per blind. I'm gonna go buy these at Walmart and see if they're like $5 or less. I'm not getting charged $5 a piece. I'll do the work myself. That's just ridiculous. These places just think that they run the world, and it just drives me nuts. Oh, I'm so done with this whole move out process. I'm so done with this company. Like, I've loved living here, but I just know that it's gonna be a crap show come the walkthrough. This is like the cleanest thing ever, and I know they're just gonna have something to say. I just know it. So I'm just trying to do as much as I can to prevent them from saying anything stupid. Literally got all the way to Walmart. I didn't measure the blinds. I'm over it. I'm so over it, you guys. Oh, I'm so stressed right now. There's so much to do. It's troubling. This is a look. Okay, let's measure these, see what they are. sister cleaned out my fridge for me, and this was literally all of the trash bags from it. I'm not proud of that fact, let's be honest. I'm pretty sad that I wasted that much food, but it's nice that she cleaned it out for me. The 409 and my scrub brush are gonna get rid of all this, because I certainly hope so. My mom's already done this once, so we're gonna see, because I'm a little scared. What? Oh no, that was really dumb. I just dumped water all over the place. But I guess I'm gonna have to wipe the walls now. This isn't working. Chum 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 ba-dum. Chum 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 ba-dum.
Would you want to play it? I play it.
Well, you can't really see it anyways. It's very dark. It's just like this, like, it just holds stains well, I think. So I don't know. This is gonna have to be what they get. The deepest clean I've ever done of any apartment ever. I'll have to do the floors because I got everything sopping wet. And then almost everything is out of here. I am gonna have to come back tomorrow. Unfortunately, we got a lot done today, but we're just gonna have to come back tomorrow and push it to the very end of the day. Oh, I think I'm just gonna pick up stuff in this bathroom and then load what's left in the car and be done for the day. Because I'm exhausted. I don't know if you can tell how sweaty I am from being in that shower and basically showering. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Last day, friends, I remembered to get the measurements for the blinds. So hopefully we just have to get the blinds done, and just do some cleaning. I'm over it. I'm very tired and I feel awful today. So let's get it done. In case you're curious what I was crying about, one of my tires started to shred while on the interstate. So that's fun. So now I'm forced to buy 2 new tires. I've known I've needed tires. It just was an expense I didn't really have the money for or want to do. So my car was like, girl, time's up. So yeah, big wrench in today. Honestly, I have no idea what the plan for the rest of the day is now. But we'll do whatever we can, I guess. Trying to stay positive, but it's hard. At least it's really beautiful around me and I'm under a tree and it's nice out. And nobody got hurt. It could have completely blown and I could have, you know, needed a tow truck and everything. So yeah, it'll be okay. Just sucks for a little bit.